now we have seen that we are copying the data. We are copying the files from source, that is directly, either in CSV format or Excel access format, and we are, choosing the files of one particular format we want, etc. Then but here the requirement is different. Here see, we are keeping here source base URL, relative URL, file name, and then when we try this, what will happen? It directly picks this file from our JSON file. From our JSON file, it will pick this particular file, the one what I have highlighted. Whatever the data that we are having in this file, that will be loaded into our destination storage accounts. Okay, fine. So this is what about we are having the data carrying multiple files. Okay, if you go inside it, click on this folder. Here we are having multiple files. Okay, so I'm just keeping this for reference only. Okay, so what I'm going to do next, I'm going to, okay, I'm going to keep this in my source storage account. So click on code, download the zip folder. The complete zip folder will get downloaded in our laptop. Okay, so here you are finding code. Where is code here? Here it is the code, and say here download the zip folder. It will get downloaded in our laptop. Okay, it will get downloaded in our laptop. Where it will get downloaded? In our downloads. Okay, I'll just move this one. See, it will get downloaded here in our downloads. Okay, so I will come here. I will say download zip. Fine. This got downloaded. The complete zip folder will get downloaded in our laptop. Right click, extract all. Okay, extract. Okay, just I'll say here, right click, extract all. Okay, I'll say here, extract here itself only. Okay, this is the complete folder that have been available here for me. Just follow the steps, guys, here. Okay, double click on the Azure Data Engineering batch main. Okay, Azure Data Engineering batch main, and then here what we have to do, again double click on Azure Data Engineering batch main. Okay, fine. Go inside the config folder. Go to config folder. Where is the config folder? Here, this one. This is my config folder. Okay, then double click on section 5 folder and open this file. This is the JSON file. See, .json file, JavaScript object notion. JSON is JavaScript object notion. Sometimes what happens here, you may get a requirement wherein you have to read the files from the ARM templates. This file is what? ARM templates file. Okay, so that is what I'm saying here. Okay, open this file in Notepad++, and now in config file, okay, make the changes as below. So this is my file now. So what I'll do, I will open the Notepad++. Yeah, this is my Notepad++. Okay, so this file I have recently opened. If you want, you can open a new file. Okay, take this one, drag and drop. Fine. You see what it is saying? It is having two files. Okay, this is the path, this is the file name, this is the path, this is the file name. Okay, the same thing I have mentioned here, the material. Okay, so we'll just modify accordingly here. Source base URL we have to give, then source relative URL, then file name. Okay, correct now? So the okay, This is our JSON file. Now from above screen, we can understand that we are reading the data from two different files, that is this one and this file. Else directly take the below file and directly upload it in source storage account. Okay, source storage account container. Okay, this is the file that directly we can upload it. Else instead of making the changes here in this file, what I'll do, I'll come here to my storage account. I'll create one storage account, and this file readily available in the material. I'll take it here from here and upload it in my storage account. That is what I'm saying here. Else directly take the below file and directly upload in your source storage account container. First put in your desktop and then upload into your storage account container. Fine, no problem. So this is the thing that I'm having. I'll just delete it because it won't allow me to create the new resources. Let me go ahead and delete this one. Okay, here I'll try to create the resources in this storage account, resource group, my RG. So I'll come here, I'll say create my RG. I'll say 1911 source SA. Okay, what I'll do, I'll come here. This is our folder. Remove, delete this one. Okay, open the material, straightforward, say drag and drop. Okay, it is not getting drag and drop. Open this file. This is the details we are having. So what we'll do, copy, okay. I'll open it in a notepad plus plus, paste, okay, file, save as, okay, and I'll keep it here, okay. There is JSON format here. ECDC underscore file underscore list, ECDC underscore file underscore list, okay, for two files. I hope it is same like this, only .json. It should directly come, guys. That will be easy for us actually. Let us see how it comes. It came as expected only. See, in our Azure Data Engineer folder. Okay, ECDC file underscore list for two files .json. Fine. So you can do like this also, straightforward, drag and drop. But it's not coming for me. Yeah, it is coming now. Okay, see, it came now for me. Okay, like this you can simply do the drag and drop. That will be much more easier actually. Okay. Fine. Straight drag and drop here from your material to a particular location in your laptop and then upload it into your source storage account. So your source storage account got created. Come to blob services, create a container. Let us take it as source container. Okay, SRC stands for source and CON stands for container. Come inside your source container and then upload the file. Right now, if you open this file inside your cloud, let us just make a cross verification. Source base URL. See this is a JSON file, ARM template file. In ARM template file, we are keeping some other files in other format, that is CSV format. This also one kind of requirement. You will get it in your real-time projects. You will do. That's why I'm showing it here. Fine. This is all seems good. You have to take care of everything, guys. This double quotation, this colon, this double quotation, this comma, this comma. This is a kind of a, particular format that you have to keep and you have to read it. If you are missing this comma, if you are missing this colon and all, then it will throw you an error. ADF can't read the file. Okay, ADF will throw an error. So this all things you have to keep this in head. Okay, double quotes, colons, where to close the bracket, where to open the bracket, where to keep this also, all these things. Fine. So I'll just close this one now. Fine. What I'll do, step 2, create the storage account. Okay, and create a container inside the storage account, and this time it will be uh, like blob storage account itself only. See what I have given as an hint. Okay, 1961 blob storage account. This is blob storage account, not ADL Gen2 storage account. Okay, fine. You can even create a ADL Gen2 storage account also, but we'll keep this time as destination as blob storage account. Okay, fine. No. It's your choice, Ramakrishna. However you want, you can manage the folder path. It depends upon you. It's just for our understanding. I'm telling that. Okay, just take the file from the folder. Okay, from this link you can get the complete data. Okay, this file I have taken from this path. I have shown the folder structure to you. Just take that file, else directly take this file from the material, drag and drop in one particular location in your laptop and upload it into your source storage account. Okay. Is it clear? So I'm creating a storage account, one more storage account here. Okay. And here, I don't know, the steps is getting repeated. This step we have done actually. We have created a storage account. Okay. And then we have uploaded the config file. Okay. Which we prepare in the above step from the below path. That is what I'm saying here. I have created a storage account. This storage account I have created 1911 source SA, and here I have uploaded the config file. Config file means this JSON file only, which we prepare in above step from below path. From this path, you can get that file. This path is my laptop path. Don't refer this path. Okay, if you want the file, just go to this link and download the folder. Okay, so here, whenever we want to modify or add an extra file, then there is no need to touch the ADF pipelines. What I'm saying here, whenever you want to add additional data to be loaded into your destination, then there is no need to touch the ADF pipeline. Here directly we can go to the config file and add the new file details like how we have added for the above two files. So now what I'm saying that here I'm keeping two files in this JSON. I'm keeping two files here. So one is this file and the another one is this file. Okay, so if you want to load the data of multiple files, like two more files, then what you can do, just add a code here. First, we'll do this demo, then I'll show the upcoming one. Next, creating an ADF link service for the storage account. Okay, so what it is saying, create a ADF and link services for the storage account. But destination storage account where we are creating that I want to see. So this is the thing that I'm talking about, the files that where we are getting it from. All this process I'm showing here. Okay. Let me see the steps here, guys. This is the one. Then ADF pipeline, create dataset for storage account. Okay. New pipeline debug. Okay. Fine. That's it. Copying data from multiple files. This is again a different demo, it seems. Okay. So this demo is just for the count the files from the JSON file, not to copy the files from your source storage account to your destination. See what I'm saying as in conclusion. Hence, like this, the lookup control will read the files based upon the number of files we are passing in the config file. So what is happening here in your real-time projects, if you get a requirement like this, where you are having multiple files. So if you want to know the count, how many files this JSON file is carrying, then here we are using this demo for that kind of requirement. That is what I'm trying to show here. Getting, guys? Following me or not? So what I'll do now, this I have done. I have done this step. Now I'll come here to an ADF. I'll launch an ADF Studios. Okay, then we'll do the steps. So let me go here. Let me close this one. Come to home. Come to data factories. Click on plus create. I'll take this one. I'll give some name. Let us take 1910. Naresh ADF. Okay. Rest all values I'm leaving it to default and I'm creating an ADF. Guys, see, I'll put it again. Okay. Sometimes in your real-time projects, you will be given, okay, okay, sometimes in your real-time projects, instead of giving the files straightforward, okay, they will give you the JSON file. They will give you the JSON file, and first you have to determine how many files are there. Okay, that is inside the JSON file. Then you can copy those files into your destination. Okay. See, here it is very simple and straightforward. Two files are there. Just two files are there. Okay. Here, just two files are there. This is very simple and straightforward. But in your real-time projects, you would be having plenty of files like this, plenty of code. You cannot keep on counting. You will get confused. If I give you like this, the code 150 times, 100 times, 200 times, can you read it manually with your eyes? No, you will get confused. For that, this is the demo. Pranil, Pranil always asks, sir, what is this? Why we are doing? Okay. So first we'll get the count, how many files are there. Okay. Then we'll do the copying of the data. Now it depends. Like again, if they ask you to copy only out of 200 files, if they give you some particular 70, 50 files, okay, then in that case you can remove it and then you can copy those files. Else, might be you can write an expression in your ADF saying that the files which is having an extension of .csv only or an extension of .xlsx only, copy those files. Then you can do the needful accordingly. Okay, so I will create an ADF now. Let the ADF gets created here. Hold on. Okay, so creating dynamic pipelines with lookup activity to get the count of files. Okay, from JSON. This should be the correct heading from JSON. This is also one type of configuration file that we call it as whenever we are writing ARM templates, Azure Resource Manager, Azure Resource Manager's template, then the extension of that file is this one only, .json. This would be the correct title for this demo. Okay, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, and hence here we are confusing. Now copying data from multiple files. This is another demo. Again, step 1 started here. Okay. So let me create an ADF here. Okay, ADF got created. What I'm saying next, launch ADF Studios, click on manage icon, link services. Okay, so I launched ADF Studios. Okay. Pranil, I have not provided dumps to anyone. Dumps I have not provided to anyone. Dumps I will provide at the end of the classes, not now. I don't know who informed you that I have already provided the dumps. Is that clear? Okay. I don't know, Pranil, what you say is what you talk. All right. So now click on manage and click a link service. What we are doing, we are getting a link service here. Manage plus. So where is our file now? In block. So I'm searching here for block. Click on continue. Give the link service name. What is the name it is asking us to give? This one. Okay. ls blob storage account. I'm just giving this one. Select the subscription storage account carefully, test connection and create. Subscription storage account. Okay, test your connection. It should get succeeded. Okay, it is just verifying connection is successful. Click on create. That's it. Next, create a dataset for storage account. Next is what? A dataset. Come to author, click on these three dots and say here new dataset. Okay, where is your file? It is in blob. So take here Azure blob, continue. It is in delimited text. Inside the JSON file, where is your source file is in which format? .csv. That is what I am selecting here, delimited text. See, search type blob JSON, click on Azure blob storage, continue. Sorry, you have to click on JSON. Sorry, continue JSON. This you have to choose. Why? Because this time our source is what? JSON. This time our source is JSON. See here, if I come to my source storage account, if I come inside the container, see what it is saying? JSON, dot JSON in my source storage account. That's why I'm choosing here this time JSON. Till now we were choosing delimited text, CSV. Now JSON. Now click on continue. Name, give the name as a dataset blob JSON config. Okay, DS stands for dataset. BLB stands for storage account category. That is blob storage account. Okay, this storage account is carrying the JSON config file. That is what we have given some meaningful naming convention. Next, this is what we have created the link services. ls blob sa file path. Click on folder icon. Okay, and here what you have to do, click on the config file. This is the config file we have placed. Okay, in our source inside the container. Say okay. Okay, import schema as none. Fine. Say okay. Done. Create a new pipeline with this name now. What you have to do next, we have to create a new pipeline with this name. So click here, say new pipeline, give the name in activities pane. After that, in activities pane, search for lookup activity. Okay, drag and drop the lookup activity from activities pane to pipeline canvas. Okay, so just type here lookup. Fine. Click the lookup control and in general tab, give the name as get config files from blob storage account. Click on this head. This is the head of the control or activity. Give name like this. Then click on settings tab, click on source dataset box knob and click on this. Okay, so come here. Okay, this is the dataset we have created. That is what I'm showing here. Then next, what it is saying, uncheck first row only checkbox for sure. This one, uncheck this checkbox. Now do the publish pipelines debug. If we click at output and see, okay, the window of output, then we'll see here two file counts because inside this JSON we are having two files. Let me do the publish all and publish. Done. Say debug now. If you see the output here, now see how much it is showing the count, this two. It is showing us the count two. Very simple and straightforward. If there are 200 files given, then you can use this approach and you can get the count. And what is the two files? That is this one, case.csv and hospital admissions.csv. So that is what I have mentioned here. Because we'll get the count of two, because in blob storage account config file have mentioned two.csv files. This is what the output I am giving, something like this. How system is understanding this count is because of this control. This control. That's why ADF is having lots of controls like this. And using these controls only, we are making our life easy. We are, doing the things very fast. This control is getting the count, lookup. It is looking into the multiple files inside the source path, what we have, where we have mentioned. Yeah, Ramakrishna, please understand here, this feature itself is having a quality. This control itself is having a feature to get the count. It is not necessary for you to write the expression each and every time. Is that clear? Okay, fine. Hence, like this, okay, the lookup control will read the files based upon the number of files we are passing in the config file. Okay, yes, yes, correct. Ramakrishna, now you have answered correctly to yourself. Yes. If it's a customization has to be done, then you can use the expression. See, what I'll tell you now, guys, no need to worry. Okay, keep doing these demos multiple times. Do each and every demo 2 to 3 times at least. Okay, each and every step in our demos are relevant. Each and every step in our demos are relevant. Okay, slowly you will understand. If you are very new to ADF, you will understand this. It will take some time. Why? Because when I was learning this technology, when I was learning this ADE, Azure Data Engineering, lots of confusion in my head. Okay, so sometimes what happens, the expression is also not get clear to us. Let it be, no problem. Slowly you will understand. With time you will get the maturity. As the time goes on, you will get the maturity. And remember here, when you start working in the real-time projects now, okay, your brain will get open much more. Okay, when we start working in real-time projects, okay, then our brain will get open much more by working on different requirements, by understanding the requirements, okay, by facing the challenges what you are going to get in your real time projects, the issues that you will get, you will learn a lot. That is what learning, guys. I'm not saying after this demo you will become super duper perfect and you will just rock in the project. No, you won't rock in the project. You will just be able to clear the interview and be a part of the project. That's it. Then after joining a project, you will get the training again as per the project requirement, as per the project scope. Again they will give you the training, like how you guys are taking the training here. Like this, again you will get the training, then you start working on your project. Then even after that also you face some challenges. And in some projects, I'll tell you one more thing. These all, like, pipelines we are creating, designing data sets and all this we won't create. If you are in support project, then you won't create these pipelines, data set, link services, ADF on daily basis. You won't do. What you do, already everything is being designed, implemented, expressions, everything is written. If you are in support project, then just you have to maintain and manage it. That's it. You have to just understand how many pipelines are there, how many data sets are there, what are the link services we are having, and what is the source, what is the target, whether the data is being loaded as per the expectation into our destination or not. Only that much you have to do. And most of the projects in service based companies is support project only. Most of the projects in service-based companies. In service-based companies are support projects only. Service-based companies means who? Service-based companies means we are having lot of companies, TCS, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, okay, Tech Mahindra, NTT Data, okay, Cognizant, the list just goes on. 80% companies I can say. If you are in product companies like in Microsoft, if you are in I can say here Google, if you are in Facebook, if you are in big companies, then you might develop this complete things what we are doing step by step. Else this all things will be kept here already, will be designed by the development team, and then it will be handed over to your support team. The IT companies are enormously big, guys. I think many of you are working also. How many of you are working here in MNCs? Is anyone is working here in MNC? Okay. Safe. Acha, Nagendra also. Very good. So MNCs is having, separate teams for every separate thing. For everything, they are having a separate team. Only in small companies, you will get an opportunity to work on multiple parts of the project. Else in MNCs, okay, only this is the scope, this is your team is going to do, and you are part of the team. Am I correct or not? Nagendra, am I correct or not? Safe? Ramakrishna, you are working in product-based companies. Okay, okay. What is your company, Ramakrishna? Okay. Next, what I am saying here, copying data from multiple files. Okay. Covalence Digital. Okay, I don't know this company. Maybe there are multiple companies here. There are infinite companies. Infinite tech companies are there in India itself only. Infinite tech companies are there in India itself only. That's correct. Okay. Divakar, you are in TCS. Okay. Good. TCS is very well-known company. TCS, Infosys, Deloitte, and Cognizant. These are very big companies. Anyhow, end of the day, we need money. If the company is giving good money, it doesn't matter. Whatever the company is. Correct or not, guys? All right. So now what I'll do, next demo I'll start here. I'm creating a blob storage account, create a container inside the storage account, upload multiple CSV files inside the container as shown in image below. Get the below .csv files from the below path in our laptop. Why I'm giving this one? Okay, because if you are not having multiple .csv files, then you can go to this link. Okay, you can go to this link here, and then you can download multiple .csv files. See here, I am having multiple .csv files here. See this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. All these are multiple CSV files. Okay, the same thing I am mentioning here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll come here. I'll close this one now. Come here. Here I have created now. I'll just create it here now. Here I'll create. Okay, and let us see what we are doing in this demo. We are keeping multiple type of files. See here, we are keeping CSV file and JSON file also. See, this is CSV file, this is CSV file, this is CSV, this is JSON file, CSV file. Multiple types of files we are keeping here. And that is what I am saying here. Upload multiple CSV files inside the container as shown below. Next, we are getting a Gentoo storage account. Then here we are getting a pipeline. We are creating the link service. Then here, what we are doing, click on the copy data control. Okay, we are copying the data. Okay, so I'm saying here all this publish. We want to copy only one file. Here it is. See, okay, we are copying it here. We are copying the data. Okay, I'll just show here. Okay, this demo will do, and in this demo we are copying multiple files, multiple data from multiple, copy the data from multiple files. So I'll just come here. I'll go to home. First, let me keep this on deletion in progress so that next demo I can do it in this RG. Why I'm deleting these resources? Who can tell me? Why I'm keep on deleting these resources? Who can tell me? Because if I delete it, then only it allows me to create new additional resources. It allows me to create new resources, and it will say me that there is no quota. This portal will say me no quota, no space available. Okay, yeah. To create new resources, very good. To create new resources, I'm deleting the existing ones. Fine, I'll come to home. I'll come to the storage account, and this time I'll create it in the Pranil RG resource group. In this resource group, I'm creating. I'll give the name as 1910 source storage account. Okay, click on create. Okay, then what I'll do, I'll try to upload multiple files here. Let the storage account gets created. Okay, it got created now. I'll click on this storage account. I'll create a container, source container, and I'll try to upload files here. Okay, I'll take this JSON file to be uploaded. Also, I'll upload some other CSV files as well. I'm uploading files of multiple types. So I'll go to Naresh IT. I'll go to Azure Data Engineer batch. I will go to engineering main batch main. Okay. I'm not having these files. I'm not having these files in my local laptop. So what I'll do, I'll go here and I'll download these files. How can I download this? It will come as a raw file. Let us see how it will get downloaded. Yeah, case.uk India only. Okay, I'm just downloading these files, guys, in my local laptop. You can also download like this only, guys. Okay, second file got downloaded. Country response. Sorry, click on this one. Third file also got downloaded. But remember here, the more files you download, the more files you copy, that much it will charge you. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, total 5 files. Come here. Say download. See all five files we have downloaded. One, two, three, four, five. So what I'll do for future references also, I'll keep all these files in my laptop in the path. In this path, I'll keep it so that for future demos also, I can easily pick up the file directly from here. Instead of searching like a fool here and there, I'm just ensuring that it should come here. Okay. Multiple files I'm having here now. See, this is all the files which is carrying the data. If you want to see, open this one. See, this is the data that I'm having inside these files. Lot of data, whatever it is, just a data. Okay, some data. Fine. So I'll just close this one. Say don't save here. Okay. No, no, no. These files I'm downloading, na Ramakrishna. I have told na. I've shown nobody. Just now I have downloaded these files from this link. From this link. This link I have given in the material. This link I have given in the material. Okay. Just go to this path. Go to this link. Download all these .csv files. Okay. And this folder, this complete folder, Azure Data Engineering Batch main. This folder is also in GitHub. I have given that link. Please go to that link and download this complete folder also. I have shown in the beginning of this class. Please refer the recording. Yes, yes, correct, correct. You are right. Okay, okay, understood. Fine. So what I'll do now, I'll come here and I'll try to upload these files in my source storage account. Okay. I'm uploading files here. Okay. See, I'm having files of different types now. See, I'm having files of different types. Okay. Okay. Now see, I'm having files of different types. This is Excel file. This is JSON file. This is .csv files. .csv files. Different types of files I'm having. Fine. This is what my step one is done. Next step two. Don't refer this path. This is my laptop path. Don't refer this path and get confused. Go to this link. I'm not telling to Ramakrishna, for others. Go to this link and download the things. This is GitHub account link. GitHub account link. You have to create an account in GitHub, then it will be open for you. Fine. Next, what I'll do, I will, okay, I will next create a Gen2 storage account as my destination. Okay. I'll come here. I'll come to home. I'll create a storage account and I'll create a Gen2 storage account. Okay. So where we are creating this one, in which resource group? Pranil RG resource group only, right? Yeah, Pranil RG resource group. So Gen2 storage account also I'll create in this resource group only. I'll make it as 1912 destination SA. And this is what my, okay, Gen2 storage account. Practice, guys, practice. Practice will only make you understand what's happening. If you are not practicing, trust me, you won't get anything. Okay, let the Gen2 storage account gets created here. The sooner you start doing the practice, the sooner you will get this technology. There is a huge salaries for people who are working on data side, either a data engineer or database administrator or database developer or whatever it is, because this is very critical, this is very crucial, this is very kind of responsible. So salaries is also good, and also responsibility and criticality is also there. Okay, I'm creating one destination container. Fine. Next, ADF, launch ADF Studios. Okay, click on author icon, pipeline, new pipeline. It is asking us to create a new pipeline first, then link services. Anything. You can create link services dataset first, then you can create pipeline, or else you can create pipeline first, then you can create a link services and datasets. Depends upon whatever it is. So I'll come here, I'll come to home, and I will launch the ADF. I'll create the ADF first, then I'll launch it. Okay. Okay, I'll launch ADF now. We'll follow these steps. Click on author icon, left side, pipeline, new pipelines. Okay, fine. In activity pane, search copy data. Search for copy data. Say here, copy data. Okay. In general tab, give the name as load multiple files. What I'm giving the name as, click on the head of this control, give the name as load multiple files. Click on source tab plus new. This is a source tab. Click on plus new. What varies you kept? Blob. Your files is in blob storage account. Click on this one, and then here see delimited text. What you are choosing here, particularly you are choosing CSV files to download. That's why I'm choosing here delimited text.csv. Continue, then data set we are going to create. Okay, this is the data set I'm creating. Then link services, I'm getting a link service plus new. What is the name I'm giving? I'm giving this one. Okay, select the subscription, storage account, test connection, create. Fine. So subscription, source storage account, test connection. Let us wait, it should get succeeded. Okay, successful, create. Fine. Then file path, click on folder icon, click on beside the folder. Okay. So what I'm choosing here, this is the folder I have created. I'm just clicking here and I'm saying okay, because I'm having multiple files in my folder, in my container basically, and I want to pick particularly .csv files in that. So I'm not picking any one particular file. I'm directly clicking the folder here only. Okay, click on okay. That is what I have mentioned here, guys. Please be very careful. Click on the folder icon, click on beside the folder, not on the folder, then say OK. Ensure first row as header, import schema as none. We want to copy the complete schema and data. That's why I'm saying here none for it. Okay, and then say OK. Done. Next, click on the copy data control source tab. Okay, this is our source tab only. Copy data control source tab. Then for file path type, select the radio button wildcard. For file path type, okay, for file path type, select the radio button wildcard file path. See, I'm saying here wildcard file path. And this copies all the files from source storage account to ADL storage account. If you want to copy the data of only .csv file, then we can mention, okay, for my config that .csv in second box. Okay, I'll just right now, I want to copy all the files. So I'm just saying here wildcard file path. All the files basically in this demo we are copying, not CSV files. Okay, this is what I have selected. I'm having files of multiple types. Then click on sync tab. Click on sync tab here. Okay, this step is very, very important. This step is very, very important. Okay, click on the sync tab, press new search type Gen2. Say here Gen2, continue, and here now delimited text we are choosing. Okay, I'm choosing here delimited text, continue. Okay, I'll give the name as this one. Dataset name for destination, link services plus new. Link service name, I'm giving it as ls destination files 01. Select the subscription storage account respectively, test connection, click on create. Okay. Okay. So subscription, destination storage account. Please be careful here. Don't select the source storage account. Click on create. Fine. For file path, click on folder icon and select the container because we want to load the all files here in this one. So come here. Okay. Select this folder. Say okay. Fine. Then ensure the checkbox first row as header is checked. Import schema as none, and then say okay. Publish debug. After it gets succeeded, we can see all the files which had in our source storage account will get copied to a destination storage account. So see guys here, though we are selecting here delimited text, but the expectation is that all the files are getting copied to our destination storage account because here we have selected the wildcard file path. If you come here to our destination storage account, okay, it is empty. As of now, this is empty. See, nothing is there, no results. So once I run this pipeline, this ADF pipelines, then I should see all the files here in our destination. Okay, let us see. Publish all, publish. If the publish gets completed, say debug. It is completed now. See, in the output, it read 5 files and it has copied 5 files. Okay, total 5 files records are this much, and all the record it has written. Now come to the destination, say refresh. Super. See, all the 5 files got copied. So irrespective of the extension, whatever it is, .csv, .json or .xlsx, we have copied all the files. Okay, and what we are doing here, we are ensuring that this complete files should be moved to our destination. This is blob storage. This is Gen2 storage. 5 files read, 5 files copied, written. Okay. Total data is 14.63 MB. Okay. It has taken just 7 seconds. Okay. Fine. If you want to copy only one file of any extension like .csv or XLSX or dot whatever it is, then click on the copy control. If I want to copy only one file for an example, click on the copy control. See, I'm giving that also here. Source tab, file path type, file path type. Okay. File path in dataset. Choose this one, file path in dataset. Then it will pick only the .csv files in source tab. Open in source tab only, click on open. Okay. Then for file path, click on browse. For file path, click on the browse. Okay. Select the one file we want to copy. Any one. It could be a zip file, it could be a CSV file, whatever it is. Then only that one particular file will get copied here. Let's say I want to copy only this one file. Then say okay. Fine. Then what we'll do, we'll come here and we delete all these files now. Okay, it's empty now. Fine. Come here. Case depth. This file only should get copied now. Let us see. This publishing is in progress. Okay, come here and say debug. Now my expectation is that it should copy only one file. Succeeded. See, it is reading one file only and it has copied one file only. Come here, say refresh. Only one file. Super. Super. So the complete game is on this one radio button only. That's it. This one, and you should not pick any one particular file. You have to just select the source folder inside your source container, and then all the files will get copied irrespective of the extension, either it is JSON, XLSX, CSV, whatever. Hence, here we'll see only one file now will get copied to our destination storage account instead of multiple files. But with this, and if we see above image, we have mentioned .zip file, then only this one file will get copied. We have selected CSV file. Here in the image, I'm giving the zip file. Okay. Note, if you want to increase the processing power of the ADF pipelines, then select the copy control settings tab for maximum data integration unit 8 or 16, whatever you want, you can pass it. Okay. Copy control, select this one, and then settings tab, come to settings tab, and then for maximum data integration unit 8 or 16 or 32, maximum data integration unit, this one. Auto means automatically, as the data is huge, files are huge, the data inside the files are too much data, huge data, then it will increase the processing power automatically if you mention here auto. If you don't want, then you can mention even this also, 8, 16, 32, whatever the value we want, we can pass. As we increase the value, the processing power will increase and the performance will increase, and quickly the files will get copied to our source storage account to destination storage account. And by default is auto, means the number of files we are having in source and to copy into destination storage account will increase automatically based upon the volume of the files. ADF will increase it automatically. Auto is the best option. Auto is the best option. Fine, guys. That's it. I'll stop the class here. And in tomorrow's class, I'll show you this automation from GitHub again, GitHub dynamically. Okay. With the use of dynamic parameters allocation. This I'll show it in tomorrow's class. Okay. Let me copy this one and page number 62. All right. Fine, guys. Any questions, anyone? Steps are there, guys. No need to worry. Recordings is also there. The only thing is your interest and dedication is needed to do the practice. All right. Any questions, anyone, before I close the class? If you want to copy both the CSV and JSON, then you have to write an expression then. You can write an expression in that case then. Okay. All right, guys. Bye, everyone. We'll connect again tomorrow. We'll see the upcoming demos. Take care, guys.